Summer is just around the corner, so what better time to print a bright and colorful design using the Ecotex water-based mixing system. Water-based inks are great for this project because unlike plastisol, they'll soak up into the fabric fibers and leave behind a nice, soft, and breathable print. Perfect for summer. Using this mixing system is super simple. There's a dedicated page on the Screen Print Direct website where you can find specific color combinations and how to mix them. If you need help with this part of the process, check out our video on how to use the water-based mixing system. Once we have the colors we need, we can label them so we know how to recreate them in the future. And here's the final print, bright, breathable, and ready for summer.